Hey, I'm Jazz, and I'm back with a more detailed video on how to make the diaper bouquet. I know someone commented on my last reel, my last short video of this, and said, hey, do you have a detailed tutorial? And I'm like, dang, no, I don't. But that was a month ago. So hopefully somebody still needs it now. I'm using my Cricut machine to cut out Noah, which is the baby's name. I did it in this glitter cardstock from Amazon, as well as all the supplies used is listed on my Amazon storefront. So just click the description box and click the link and order from the storefront. But let's get started on actually making the diaper bouquet. I'm making sure I have the diaper's leg where the baby's legs will be at. I'm having the leg hole tucked in as far as possible, just in case mom or dad decides to use this bouquet in the future. There's only one way to roll this wrong, and it's when it ends up like that. You want it to be folded inward like so, with the short part on the inside instead of on the outside, and the short part is the baby's front. So you want that tucked in the front and just rolled up. So there are two ways that I roll the diapers. I switch randomly. So first I roll it like a regular Swiss roll. Just roll it up and put a rubber band around it and fix the petals as I'm doing now. And then there's another way that I do it where I start to fold in the diaper like a cone, giving the petal a little bit of a wider effect. Diaper bouquets, hands down, is the most easiest thing I've ever prepared for a baby. If you watch some of my older videos, you can see that I've done this. But back to this video, I got these skewers from Walmart. I do not recommend them, and I got the styrofoam. If anything, from watching this video, I would switch out the styrofoam for the green flower foam and these sticks. That way you don't have to use the rubber bands to keep them in the same place that you stuck them in. And the items that's listed on my Amazon storefront does have the full package of making a flower bouquet. So you will not need to purchase separate sticks. You just need to keep track of them if you plan on doing more. Don't be like me. But yes, you just roll the diapers up. You put the rubber band around them. You fluff them out like you would a regular flower on a regular bouquet. And then you insert that skewer on the inside and just place it on the foam. I think I'm going to show you guys one more time, and I will not talk through it because I know some of y'all don't like when I speak all the way through my videos. But look, this is my video. But keep watching. So wait. The final diaper flowers are placed, and this is how it comes out before the wrapping. It's very full, but I do want to show you some of the accessories I will be using. I got these crowns off of Amazon. Again, it's linked in my storefront, and these were less than $9. I thought it was a steal. They are titled cake toppers, but it's very good quality in my opinion for the price. And then I have a teething ring, the cards that came, and then I had to grab some double-sided sticky tape just to get this going how it needed to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping it. I took one sheet. I'm gonna just put it on, wrap it around with the rubber band, and I'm gonna show you how I wrapped it the first time. I thought it looked very unflower-like. So I ended up taking off the covering, not the base. This is the base stays, but the covering that I wrapped around here. So you see I'm folding it like this. I'm kind of just folding it, rushing, because I'm on camera and I am on a time limit because I was being a procrastinator, but neither here nor there. I folded it nice, and then I just started taping it on, thinking that it would just fall in place and be super cutesy. It was not very demure. I put it too far down. But in essence, this is the same process I'm doing later in the video, just so you don't have to re-record or re-watch the same thing. I'm taping the corners. I'm sticking it down. I'm taping the other corner. I'm sticking it down, and repeating and repeating and repeating. So you can see here, bringing the wrapping all the way to the bottom, it does not look very cute. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. So eventually I untook it. I just did not record the second part, but it's the exact same thing. I'm having it folded up the same way. I'm just bringing it from being at the bottom of the base to where I place the rubber band on the vase to keep the base structured. So you want to start putting your wrapping paper there, and you want to tape it there, so you can get this outcome instead of this one. Because you don't want to give messy. You don't want to give thrown together. You don't want to give last minute. So if you need to take it down 16 times and redo it, do that. As you see here, I'm laying it down flat. I'm getting it organized together and then placing it all together once they're folded and taped down. And I'm just adding it like this. So instead of at the bottom of the base, we're at where the rubber band is at. You see where I'm going? It's very cute this way. I put my time into this. So now you're going to get your double-sided tape, and you're just going to lightly tape the back of the cardstock and stick it to the diapers. Again, I want to make sure these diapers are able to be reused if the parents want to do so. So I'm just lightly sticking those on there. And I'm also not trying to add too much on, just in case the baby is hyperallergenic. Keeping those legs tucked in, making sure it's rolled up, and making sure you have clean, fresh hands while you're doing this. Because you're touching the baby's diapers, you're touching the teething rings. This game controller is a teething ring. I know, it's super cute. And the crown. So you just want to make sure everything's nice, neat, and clean, and being mindful. Be very mindful. And we are done. This is how the baby bouquet turned out. Very cute, very cute, if I do say so myself. If you want any more content, don't be scared to suggest a video in the comments. Make sure you're subscribing to our channel and liking these videos so you can see all the DIY projects we post very soon. I have been missing you, YouTube guys. I've been missing you guys a lot. I miss my family here. So please, please, please stay tuned and subscribe, because I plan on coming back better than I came before. Thank you. Jazz out. Bye.